Hello guys, welcome to Helping Hand to Other channel, and today in this interesting video I'm going to review about a website that allows you to bring traffic to your website, to your affiliate offer and many other stuff. So if you want to know about the details, then do watch the entire video. Before starting the video, I would like to tell you that if you haven't yet subscribed my channel Helping Hand to Others, then do subscribe the channel, because I upload here all the money making videos like how to earn money from clickbank or affiliate program or free traffic, paid traffic, etc. So if you want to learn all this, then do subscribe. So let's start the video. So guys, first of all I would like to tell you that my English is not so perfect, so if any mistake happen, then I'm really sorry about that. So the website is My Lead Generation Secret. This website is very good for driving traffic to your affiliate offer or to your website, and the leads that they provide are 100% genuine and they do convert. So first of all, what is a lead? A lead is an email address that is provided by a user. Like suppose for example, if you registered on Facebook, then you have to sign up with your email. That is a lead, that is a valid lead, that you are registered on Facebook. That lead is provided to Facebook. So that are real leads. There are so many fake leads also available in the market. Like if you use temporary mail like that software, then you will get that fake lead count. So I have already tell in this video how you can verify or email. You can clean your list with 100% accurate result. You can see this video, that is 100% accurate, clean your list. So in this video, the platform really works, how people are getting 100 of leads every day. Means if you are promoting something, like if you are registered on clickbank.com, suppose this is an affiliate marketplace. Most of them have already heard the name clickbank.com. So this is an affiliate marketplace where you have to promote the product, and if any buyer purchases a product, you will earn a commission. So what this software will provide, what this website will provide you, that you have to do nothing. It's simply, you can see here, it's one time $30 one time setup fee plus $30 per month thereafter. So as of now, if you register today, you will have to pay $60 at once, and then after you have to pay every month $30 per month. So if you calculate $30 a month, that is $1 per day. $1 per day means every day you will get 100 new leads, means 100 new emails. So I will give you the detailed in-depth review of this platform. So you can see here, after sign up you will get 100 leads daily. Like if you register today, then after 24 hours you will get 100 leads, then 100 leads, then 100 leads. So 100 leads per day in 30 days, that is 3000 leads per month. So if you get 3000 leads, means they are potential buyers. You can try out that. So you can ask here, they chat, you can ask their customer support what type of leads these are. So you can check that out, that they says they are mostly the money making people. They want to make money, that's why the leads are converting very well in money making niche. If you try to promote health related stuff or any other related stuff, health and fitness, then that will not work. So these are mostly money making, e-business, e-marketing, and all this type of stuff. So if if you send an email to 100 leads, 100 people, then if they convert around one sale, if you get one sale, then you can make a commission on clickbank around $4 to $5, $19 to $20, $25 to $30. It depends on the product and their commission rates. So in detail, I have already two accounts sign up. I am going to log in here and tell you some stats about this. So this is my login account. I am logging into that. So you can see the interface of the dashboard. Home, my leads, master email swipe, mailing system, stats, affiliates, recommend, and logout. Now this you can see here. First of all, leads, stats. Leads today 200, leads yesterday 200, a bonus leads today 100. Now what does that mean? I have said that you will get 100 leads per day. Okay, but if you share this referral link to any other to tell them about this program and sign up, if they sign up using your affiliate link, then you will get 100 bonus lead, that is 100 plus 100 200 leads, and that will be the maximum leads you can get per day. Means if I promote this my lead generation secret program and if anyone sign up with my link, then I will get 100 plus 100 200 leads only. So in this section you will see my leads. I have joined here on 18th of November. As you can see here, on 18th November I got 100 leads, 19, 20, 21st, 22nd. On 25th of November I get 100 leads. On 26th of November I have signed up under my own referral link with the first account that I have created. So you can do that also. Suppose I have one account, and if I use my affiliate link, my own affiliate link of the first account, and sign up on the second account, then you will get 200 lead more, 100 plus 100 200 leads. So you can see here 200 200 200 plus, always that is the maximum cap limit of 200 leads per day you will get after that. So 18th of November till date I have got around 7700 leads. I will tell you about some more details. Now if you click here on browse leads, you can see here my leads: date, first name, last name, email address, IP address, city, state, postal code, or unit country, and lead partner. Most of them are from tier 1 countries like United States. So you can check that feature out, and if you want to download the leads, you can simply select any particular date, and download my leads. So this will be always be useful to use in future. Now this is master email swipe. If you want to write emails and all this stuff, then you can buy this $59.95 for one-time fees. If you want to buy this, they will provide how you can write the emails and how the things work. I will not go about that section. Now I will like to tell you about the mailing system, what mailing system is all about. So mailing system is choose mailing type, mail by lead partner or mail by date. So you have to always select mail by date only. So now the second option is lead selected for mailing. How many leads you want to select for mailing? Either you can select per day leads like 200. I will select, then only 200 mails will be sent out. If you want to send 400 leads, then you can send 400. If you select all, then around 15,600 mails will be sent at a given point of time on a single shot. That is 15,600 emails will be sent. But this process can be done in 24 hours only. Only one time you can mail to all the list in one day, that is 24 hours from one account. So now you can see a send from my own name, that is Samkit, or send from my lead generation secret, no reply. You can select any of them as your convenient, but I select Sent from Samket. That is my original name, that's why. Now, this is the subject line that you want to enter as sending the email. Like in clickbank, there are many. I would like to log in and tell you about some examples. Like I would register here. If you didn't have an account on clickbank, then it's very easy to join and it's free to join clickbank. So simply log in into your account, and you can see here I didn't make any sale in the recent. I am trying to promote, but it didn't work right now, that's why. Now suppose if you go to e-business and e-marketing category, then you can see here this is the one I would like to open for you, and you can see here. Suppose this is a product that we are trying to promote on this platform. Then now simply you can see here their affiliate page, and you can see here email swipes. Now these are the already done email for you. You simply have to open the email. Like suppose a YouTuber want to hire your name, so simply copy in the subject line and simply paste here in the subject line. Now the name, you can see here optional. You can use the below quotes in the subject or message to be replaced with each lead's personal details. Now name will not here. You have to copy this first name, then here enter this detail. Now you can see your first name. Now the leads will automatically send to their first name, so you don't have to worry about that. Now simply you have to copy all the here, all the body, and simply paste here. Now I am giving you example. You can check out this here by doing your own. Suppose this is the this, you can improve your grammar, and simply you can write your name here, like my name is Samket, then sender from Samket. So I have already sent the message. So see, you can see here, please wait 13 hours and 54 minutes before your next mailing. So my today's limit is already crossed, that's why it's showing like this. So you can simply here, you can simply, if you want to add your affiliate link, you can simply here link and write your affiliate link here and do OK. Now you can see here this is the affiliate link. Now if any of them open the email and click on this and purchase anything, then you will get a commission. And always click on perfect timing, because you can see here we can now predict the optimal delivery hours of the day. Means in United States, which time is convenient for the user, at that time they will send the message or they can send the email. You can read here, actually we do more than just the predict. We can deliver your email exactly during this sweet spot time window, so you will get more opens and more clicks, that's why. So this is the platform. You can see here it's simply hardly 2 to 3 minute work per day. Now let's go to stats. I have joined this program on 18th of November. So you can see here I have already promoted this product, same product. You can see here a YouTuber wants to hire you, so you will get 100 leads per day. Open rate was 38 and 17 clicks were there. So you can see here now on, if I click on first page, around 15,000 leads were sent. 14,000, you can see here 14,600. Around 2,113 people opened. Out of them 277 clicks were received. So it's a very good click rate. You can see here at which time and from which country the open was. You can see all the details like United Kingdom, others. You can see here all the details are available. Now the next thing is affiliate. There is an affiliate program also. You can simply here get a commission of $5 per commission referred. Now I have two accounts. I have registered one more account with this affiliate, and it has been 2 months, 3 months alone. That is $5 or $15 I have already earned from that, and minimum $30 is the payout. You can, if you reach $30, you can simply get your withdrawal. RC means recurring commission, and if you get superstar bonus, that is around, no, mostly five, you have to refer five affiliate in a week to get 100 superstar bonus. So this is also the platform to get affiliate income like this, refer and earn. So you have to visit, and if you think that all these are not worth it, or this will be the fake clicks, then I would like to tell you that yesterday only I have promoted this offer, and I have get 3 order from impression. Means out of 3 people, means one email has been twice clicked, and they have reached to the initial order form, but they didn't, means they have add in cart but they didn't purchase the product. That's why. So the leads are converting very well. You can see here by customer countries, you can see here all are from United States, so that leads are convertible. So you must give a chance to this program. But if you are doing this, but you have to be very careful. If you are joining, you must invest for 4 to 5 months to get good results. If you think that my income will start in 1 month only, then please don't join this system. It will take time. You have to invest your money and took the results for good. If you have website or any other thing, you can try to promote there. You will get organic traffic rather than purchasing any fake traffic from Fiverr or other freelancing websites. So I will give you the link in the description. You can click on that link and see all the details. You can watch the video if you want to, and then invest. If you are satisfied, then only invest. If you have funds, then do invest. This is a must try program. So if you have any questions, any doubt, then do comment in the comment box. I will try to help you out. So, and do subscribe the channel if you want more videos like this, because your one like will motivate me to produce more and more videos and quality content. So that's it from the today's video. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.